I welcome all of you to my virtual class. Today we are going to learn chapter number 8 from your supplementary reader, that is Footprints Without Feet, and the name of the chapter is The Hack Driver. This is a beautiful story, and the author of the story is Sinclair Lewis. He is an American novelist, and this is an amusing story about a young lawyer who is very innocent. He goes to a village to serve a summon to a person called Oliver Lutkins. At the railway station, he meets a person who introduced himself as Bill. Bill told that he knew everyone in the village and promises to search Lutkins for the lawyer. He takes the lawyer and visits lots of places and takes a lot of money from him. But after a long search, they could not find Oliver Lutkins. Next day, what happens? When the lawyer goes to the village with one of his colleagues, he came to know that the hack driver was Oliver Lutkins himself. Everyone except the lawyer was laughing at him, and he felt ashamed of himself. Now I would like to tell you the summary of the chapter in detail. Listen very carefully and sincerely. This is a story of a lawyer who, after completing his graduation, started working with a famous firm in the city. He was working as an assistant clerk there. He did not like the job of serving summons because sometimes he had to face harsh situation, difficult situations. One day, he had to give summons to Oliver Lutkins, who was a key witness in some case in the court. He lived in a small village, and the name of the village is New Mullion. He lived in that small village, and the name of the village is New Mullion. Try to understand. He was very happy to go to the village, but the village looked very dull and lifeless. The narrator, that is the author, saw a hack driver on a platform that was cheerful. The hack driver was very cheerful. He was standing at the platform to receive the persons, the tourists. He inquired him about Lutkins and came to know he was a shrewd man and had taken loan from many people. The hack driver cunningly extracted from lawyer that he has come here to give court summon to Lutkin. What did the lawyer tell? The lawyer told the hack driver that he had come over here to call a summon, to give a summon to Oliver Lutkins, because his presence is very much required in the court. The lawyer decided to rent Bill's hack and search for Oliver Lutkins. He always goes ahead and inquires about Lutkins. They went to Fritz' shop to catch Lutkins, where he plays poker, that is gambling. They have been told that he has gone to Gustav Barber for shaving. Later on, at Gustav's place, also they could not meet Oliver Lutkins, and somebody told them that they saw him in the pool room. They could not find him there also, and told he left the pool room after buying cigarettes. In the afternoon, Bill asked the lawyer to buy food from his wife, and it would be less costly than a restaurant. Restaurant means restaurant. They had their lunch at Wadey's Hill, which is a beautiful place. By now, the lawyer was fully convinced that Bill is a generous and helpful person. He even started comparing city people and villagers. Later, they went to Lutkin's mother's house, but she was a horrible lady. Lutkin's mother was a horrible lady, and she was close to attacking them with a hot iron rod. At last, the lawyer has to live without serving to summon to Lutkin's because he was not found at all. All his efforts went in vain. He was badly scolded by his chief. By his chief means by his boss. The next day, and he was sent once again to New Mullion with a colleague who knew Oliver Lutkins. On reaching the station, the lawyer happily acknowledged that Bill was such a helpful person to him in searching Oliver Lutkins. At this point, he was told by his colleague that the hack driver was none other than Oliver Lutkins. The hack driver himself was Oliver Lutkins. He kept changing his name every now and then. The lawyer felt ashamed of himself. And finally, dear children, the lawyer who had gone to New Mullion to give a summon to Oliver Lutkin felt ashamed of himself because he came to know that the hack driver was Oliver Lutkins himself. The conclusion of the story teaches us that we should not trust anyone without knowing them. Otherwise, people will make fool of us. Isn't it? So, dear children, we must learn a message from the story that we should not trust the person unless we know him. Otherwise, he will make fool of us. He may cheat us. That's why don't trust the person who is not known to you. Otherwise, you will have to be a sufferer.